Virtual reality hardware and software just keeps improving and impressing new joiners around this amazing technology. XR has long proven itself as arguably the most transformative and effective education, training, and entertainment tool of our time. With companies hiring more and more XR developers and highly engaging games launching every day, the demand for skilled XR developers has never been higher. Greetings XR developers. This is the Black Whale Studio, and welcome to the very first complete VR multiplayer course with Photon Fusion out there, where we will create a metaverse-like social VR application that is built on the latest and greatest technology for VR development. Even Meta and other big players are using Photon Fusion for their own multiplayer experiences. We are choosing the Oculus integration because it is extremely capable, offers cutting-edge features out of the box, and hosts the incredibly sought-after Meta avatars. We are going to show you how to set up the Meta avatars together with Photon Fusion to create the best social VR experiences you can get nowadays. Furthermore, we choose to work with Photon Fusion since it is considered one of the most efficient and scalable frameworks out there. Fusion merges all the best concepts of the extremely popular multiplayer framework, Pun, and other existing Photon products, while being built from the ground up with a high-performance architecture in mind to enable state-of-the-art features right out of the box. As the global XR market is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years, there's never been a better time to acquire the skills needed to excel in this dynamic field. Major tech giants like Meta and Apple are betting big on XR, investing billions every year in the development of such technologies and experiences. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation in VR development, multiplayer development, and the confidence to create your own immersive, personalized, virtual experiences. This course offers a comprehensive and practical approach to learning XR multiplayer development. Thank you for taking part in this class. We're excited to have you on board and can't wait to see the incredible experiences you'll create. So, are you ready to master VR multiplayer development? Check it out now on Udemy. The link is in the description. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. See you in class.